If you're thinking about using Hostinger for your website, this video will show you everything you need to know before you buy. I'll break down Hostinger's pricing, performance, features, WordPress tools, security, customer support, and most importantly, how to get an exclusive Hostinger discount that saves you more than what you see on the pricing page, plus a free domain name. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Hostinger plan to choose and whether Hostinger is the right hosting provider for your website. To take advantage of the exclusive Hostinger discount, just click the link in the description below. I provide the coupon code next to the link to get the best deal. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, may not receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. What is Hostinger? Hostinger is one of the most popular web hosting companies in the world with millions of users across 170 plus countries. They're known for very low starting prices, fast performance, beginner-friendly tools, strong WordPress hosting features. Hostinger is especially popular for beginners, bloggers, small business websites, WordPress sites, affiliate and niche websites. It's important to know that Hostinger doesn't just offer WordPress, it also includes its own built-in website builder, plus an AI website builder option. Hostinger's website builder is a drag-and-drop builder, which means you can create a full website without WordPress, without plugins, and without any coding. This is great if you're a complete beginner, building a small business website, creating a landing page or a portfolio, or you just want something fast and simple. Now, Hostinger also includes an AI website builder, and this is where things get interesting. You simply answer a few questions about your website, like your business type, name, and goals, and the AI automatically generates a full website layout, text and content, images, and design structure. From there, you can customize everything using the drag and drop editor. That said, I want to be honest here. The website builder is excellent for simple websites, but it's not as flexible or powerful as WordPress. So if you want advanced customization, lots of plugins, or long-term scalability, WordPress is still the better option. My recommendation, use Hostinger website builder or AI builder if you want speed and simplicity. Use WordPress on Hostinger if you want full control and growth potential. Both options are included with Hostinger, and you can choose during setup. Now let's talk about performance and speed, because this is one of Hostinger's biggest strengths. To test this, I'm using a real website hosted on Hostinger and running it through a speed test. As you can see, the load times are fast and performance scores are strong, especially for a hosting provider at this price point. This speed comes from a few key things Hostinger does really well: light-speed web servers, SSD storage or NVMe storage depending on the plan, built-in caching, and performance optimization. Optimize WordPress setup. For most websites, especially blogs and small business sites, this means faster load times, better user experience, improved SEO, lower bounce rates. It's also worth noting that performance improves as you move up plans. The business plan offers noticeably better speed than premium, and the cloud startup plan is on another level, with dedicated resources designed to handle higher traffic and more demanding websites. So if speed matters to you, especially for SEO or conversions, the business or cloud plans are worth it. Hostinger offers 3 main web hosting plans. Premium plan starts as low as $2.99 a month, best for beginners and personal websites, hosts multiple websites, SSD storage, free SSL certificate, weekly backups, email hosting included. Business plan starts as low as $3.99 a month, best overall value, faster performance than premium, daily backups, more storage and resources, better for growing websites and small businesses. Cloud Startup Plan starts as low as $7.99 a month, dedicated cloud resources, much faster speeds, handles higher traffic, best for serious businesses, e-commerce, and high traffic sites. Important, these prices are already discounted, but you'll save even more using my exclusive Hostinger coupon code, which gives you an extra discount beyond what's shown, plus a free domain name. To get the lowest price available, click the link in the description. The exclusive coupon code is provided with the link. Hostinger is extremely optimized for WordPress. You get one-click WordPress installation, automatic WordPress updates, light-speed cache for WordPress, WordPress staging, business and cloud plans, built-in performance optimization tools. If you're building a WordPress site, Hostinger is one of the best budget-friendly WordPress hosting options available. Instead of cPanel, Hostinger uses hPanel, which is clean, modern, beginner-friendly, easy to navigate. From hPanel, you can manage domains, install WordPress, create email accounts, manage files and databases, monitor performance, access security tools, For beginners, hPanel is actually easier to use than cPanel. Hostinger includes strong security features, even on lower plans, free SSL certificate, DDoS protection, firewall protection, malware scanning, secure access manager, automated backups, daily on business and cloud. Security is handled mostly behind the scenes, which is great if you don't want to deal with technical stuff. Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat support, knowledge base and tutorials, no phone support, chat only. Support is fast to respond, helpful for beginners, best through live chat. For most users, chat support is more than enough. With annual plans, you get a free domain name. This alone can save you around $10 to $15 per year on top of the hosting discount. Again, this is included when you use my exclusive Hostinger link. Pros: very affordable pricing, excellent performance for the price, great WordPress features, beginner-friendly control panel, free domain plus SSL, global data centers. Cons: no phone support, renewal prices are higher than the intro deal. I do want to note this is common in the web hosting industry. The entry plan has limited resources for large sites. Hostinger is perfect for beginners, bloggers, small business websites, WordPress users, anyone on a budget who still wants performance. Which Hostinger plan should you choose? Premium plan, personal sites and beginners. Business plan, best overall value, recommended for most people. Cloud startup, high traffic, e-commerce, serious projects. If you're unsure, business is the safest choice for performance and features. To get the lowest price possible, click the Hostinger link in the description. The exclusive coupon code gives you an extra discount. You'll save more than what's shown on the pricing page. You'll also get a free domain name. Hostinger is one of the best budget web hosting providers available today, especially for WordPress users. If you want low pricing, fast performance, easy setup, strong features, and that's my full Hostinger review. If you want to get the lowest Hostinger price available, make sure you use the link in the description. You'll save more than what's shown on the pricing page, plus get a free domain name with my exclusive coupon. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more honest hosting reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.